Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Lately I've had a lot of fun getting ready for the holidays and finding some beauty finds and some gift ideas, and so that's been fun. I've been doing like video marathons, but today I have something that is kind of a usual on my channel, and that is it's my Beauty Empties. Very full of stuff. So anyway, that's what I'm going to share. And so let's get started. Okay, friends. Once again, here we go. It's a big box of stuff. And there's some really fun things I have in here this time. So anyway, if you're new here, welcome. To my subscribers, thank you. If you would like to subscribe or support my channel and hit the like button, do whatever, do those things, I would appreciate that if you wish. And so here, we're going to get to the first thing I have here that keeps falling out, so I might as well do it. This is a sponge gel. This one was a Cherry Tonka Musk. And these are body wash infused buffers, so they smell really good. They say they last about, I don't know, up to 14 showers maybe. I use these, I don't think this didn't last me that many. I can't remember how much it lasts before it kind of dies down. And then when that happens, I use the sponge and use my body wash. And so I just do that. And then I'll, when I'm ready to use a new one of these, I'll go through the same process. But the sponges last in the shower, and they're great if you just want to put your body wash on it. So this is kind of double duty. And so I do like it a lot. They have so many flavors I love the apple blossom is so good. But anyway, I recommend these. You find these a lot on a lot of beauty sites anyway, or go to the sponge gel. So there's that. The next thing I have in here is from Garnier, and it's a micellar cleansing water. This was a big bottle. It's taken me a long time. There's a couple drops in the bottom, but I needed the space, so I got rid of it maybe one time early. But I have had this actually for a really long time because it lasts forever. So that, and I have stuff to replace it, so I'm not too sad about that. But this is a good one. It's just your basic. You can find it any store, any drugstore or whatever. So why do I have two in here? I have two Dove deodorants. Now I've had these before. I love these. I usually buy them in bulk on Amazon because I like the sprays. I think I had two going at once, and so I just happened to go through them both in 1 month. But there probably wasn't much in one of them, or I think both of them were like half full somehow. So anyway, there's that. The next thing I have here is one of my favorite products of all time. This is Beautyfinds. It's a hair oil, and it smells so good, and I love the feel of it. Now, this was something I think I got in a, what's it called, Birchbox, when I used to get Birchbox years ago, and I think I got a sample of this and just loved it, so I went ahead and purchased it. It's pricey, so it's pricey for me, but I don't know, I splurged, and I actually splurged, and this was out, so I just got some more of it. It's a smaller bottle I got. I thought I was getting this size, and I paid a lot for even a smaller bottle. But anyway, I do like this hair oil, so that's gone. Another thing that I love, see, these are things I love that I'm getting rid of. That's kind of sad, and I happen to have a backup of this too, I think I got. But I love LMS products. This has a little bit in here. I tried spraying it and I couldn't get any out, but it looks like I might have 1 or 2 sprays in here. But this is a soothing apricot toner. I use this like every day when I get out of the shower. I spray it on my face, and then I like the spray toners. So then my face just gets that little splash, and then I would go ahead and put on my serums at that point. And so I love this product. I got the one I have is a little bit different, but it's also a spray toner. I don't know if it's not the apricot, but I can't remember what it is. But anyway, I'm glad I have kind of a backup because I enjoy this a lot. So the next thing I have here is from EOS. This is the Shea Butter Sensitive Shave Cream. Now I buy this, so I use this in the shower. So I recommend it. It's a really good cream. I really, really like it. So if you're looking for a shave cream, I like that it's sensitive. And anyway, I like everything about this. So I would recommend this. So there's that. The next thing I have in here is from Ipsy. This is the Glow Tonic. This was also a toner. I think I used this for travel for a while and it's gone. So bye-bye. Another thing I have here is, this is from Laneige. And this is the lip, I put this on. This is the last thing I put on before I go to bed and the first thing in the morning. I love these so much. Use this one up to the end. I like them. You don't get the white like around your lips with these. They have something in them that prevents that. Also, let's see here. I've gotten a couple of these as gifts because I use these every night. So I just shared this in my Sephora haul, but they have these kits for $21. But anyway, this kind of comes out of here, and I actually started a new kit. So anyway, this might have been a sample. This might have been something I got in a bag. But anyway, I liked it. Bought more. Have more on hand. So I highly recommend that product. Now, this is Vital Vita. This is a cleanser. And let's see, right there. I use this for travel, I believe. And so it's empty. So I have so many cleansers. This was just another cleanser. So there you go. I have 2 hair products, both from Living Proof. One is a dry shampoo and the other is a dry volume last. Both of these are really good. I highly recommend them. They're a little bit pricey, so sometimes I tend to go for something a little cheaper that I like. But the dry shampoo is great, but I love the dry volume blast. And what it does is you just kind of put it in your roots. I don't think anything's in here. It sounds like there is, but it's just air blowing out. But anyway, you do it. It totally volumizes. Like I love this dry volume blast. I would definitely choose this over the dry shampoo, although they're both good products. The next thing I have in here was another, it's a travel size, but it's just the which one is this? I can't read it. Oh, It's Real from Benefit mascara. So I think I had this in a little purse kit at one time and it's dried up. So there's that. This right here is, oh, it looks like a lip pencil that I can't get anything out of it. So it's used up. So this was from, I don't even see it anymore. Can't tell who it was. I like the thing of it, but I don't think it lasted me very long. Okay, this is Dear Midnight from Stella. Is it from Stella? Stella. Actually, it says S-T-E-L-L, so it's Stella. I don't know. I haven't heard of that. But anyway, there's that. And a lid. I don't know what it goes to. Nothing in here, I don't think. This is, I was kind of disappointed in this. This is a Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil, and it got to a point where the color was showing, but it wouldn't rub off, and it was fake. The bottom is fake. And then I sharpened it, and then it just fell out, but what it was in there was like fake at the bottom. Is that right? Have any of you used Charlotte Tilbury and had that experience? But I was disappointed because I thought they'd have a little, usually they you know, you can go down with it. But so there wasn't very much. This had been a sample lip liner, or maybe something I got in a kit. But anyway, it's kind of a bummer. I do like their product, the liner, but this just not, it just did not work. And then the last thing I have in here is my favorite Flower Bomb perfume. Used up. It looks like there might be a drop in here. Is there? Sometimes it's hard to get it out, the spray, but this is my holy grail. It will always be. I always wear it. I just bragged a little bit because I broke down and bought, I bought the Valentino, the Roma perfume. So the Coral Roma. Anyway, so I just wanted to try something different, but I still have some. I will always have this on hand. So I like to buy it when every fall I buy a perfume when they go on sale at Sephora, and so that's what I got this year, was that. But so anyway, that's it for my beauty empties. What do you think? I got some really good products that I like in here. Winners in my book. Some things that, you know, anyway, so lots of these are winners. So, and I'm glad I have back stock on my winners. So, a good month for beauty empties. So anyway, let me know what you think. Have you used any of these products? Did any of them sound interesting to you? So anyway, that's it. Thanks for being here, you guys. I love your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Stay tuned because I have a lot of fun stuff coming up, doing lots of filming, lots of holiday stuff. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.